City Utilities produces a whole lot of methane at the water pollution control facility, and a lot of that is unused. So there's a plan to change that. Fox 55's David Tillmans reports as the city explores some new ways to utilize the surplus.
I'm here at the City Utilities Water Pollution Treatment Plant. Nowadays, this facility produces more methane than it can use, and a lot of that unused gas gets flared off. But the city hopes to soon put that excess methane to better use. Over half of the methane produced at the facility currently goes unused.
We are already using gas to generate about a third of the power, about $400,000 a year in electrical value, but we're producing significantly more gas, almost we're only using about 50% of it right now.
On Tuesday, City Council put forth do-pass recommendations for a $7 million contract funding the installation of new equipment that has already been purchased and would allow city utilities to refine that excess methane into renewable natural gas. A separate $5 million agreement was also supported by the council, funding efforts for NIPSCO to design and install a pipeline connecting the facility to NIPSCO's existing infrastructure.
We can generate more power with our own gas instead of having to buy gas from NIPSCO, or we can buy gas from NIPSCO that we've sold to them at a much higher margin, and so eventually it generates a revenue that we can use to again put downward pressure on rates.
Altogether, this would represent an investment of over $12 million. However, Wirtz hopes that this would lower customer rates long term, and he believes that the money saved by this project could pay back construction costs within 10 years.
The City Utilities is really taking the initiative to do something a little bit different than we've done in the past. We would be in a position where we're producing energy for our own uses at City Utilities, but perhaps in a position to perhaps sell it to other entities.
Should these proposals pass through Common Council, they would then head to the mayor's office for final approval. Reporting in Fort Wayne, I'm David Tillmans.